Hi everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar. Today in this video, I'm going to compare two powerful Excel functions, that is SUMIFs and Vlookup. I'll explain when and how to use each one effectively. So let's dive in. Before moving forward, let me give you a short explanation of both functions, that how they functions work. If we are looking at SUMIFs, the SUMIF, this function is used to sum values based on multiple criteria. Just like that, we have the table, employee ID, category, manager, project manager, and their price. On the category basis, we need to find the price. So we can use that SUMIF. SUMIF is only for a single criteria, but in SUMIFs we can pass the multiple criteria. Like if we use the SUMIF, the first criteria is to give the sum range. So sum range is here is price. We can select the whole column of the price, comma. Next is our criteria range 1. The criteria range 1 is our category. So we will select the whole column of the category. Next is the criteria. On what criteria? So we have the category. So we have select this and bracket close and hit enter. You will get the answer. Just give the only just and copy paste the below cell. You will get the sum of all categories. Like let me give you that on category of C. The category of C, the total value is that the total value is 18,930, which we are saying we can see here also. Now come to the second, the VLOOKUP. How the VLOOKUP is work. This function is used to look up a value in one column and return a value from another column in the same row. It is useful when you need to find data in a large table, like if we are retrieving the price from this table on for employee ID. So how can we use? So just use the VLOOKUP. Just use the VLOOKUP and lookup value. First argument is our lookup value. We have select the lookup value and going to the our data. The employee ID is our first column and we are retrieving the price which is on fifth column. Give the column index number, that is of 5 comma, and it is for the exact match we can pass the 0 and hit enter. Just copy and drag your formula at the below, so you will get the price for each employee ID. So this is the short explanation on the lookup and VLOOKUP. So now we are coming to the our main problem, that how can we do. So we have the data of the employee table, which is containing the 5 column: employee ID, category, subcategory, project manager, and price. So we need to find the employee ID. On the we have given the category name and their subcategory name. If you are looking into the data, that each category having the multiple subcategory, like if we have C category, that is containing the M subcategory, and same C category containing the N, which is different subcategory. Same C category containing also the O subcategory. Similarly in D, it is containing N, and D containing again O, and similarly and so on for the others. So now we are coming to the how can we fetch the employee ID. Basically, as I told you that SUMIF is a used to some values, but we can also it can also fetch the employee ID on the basis of category and subcategory. Like how can we? Let's see. We use simply the SUMIF for that, and first argument is sum range. The sum range is our employee ID. We have select all the column of the employee ID, comma, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1, we have the category. So we have to select all the column of the category, comma, and next is criteria 1. So we have select the category. Next criteria range 2. As I told you that sum ifs can take the multiple argument, so I'm going to give the another argument of the subcategory here, comma, and select the subcategory also and bracket close. It will give you the employee ID. If you are looking that D category and N subcategory, so we can see that D category and N category having the employee ID is 9186, which has been already correctly extracted. So we just drag the formula at the below in the remaining cell, and we will fetch the employee ID successfully. So now coming to the project manager. How can we fetch the project manager? So on the basis of the on the basis of the employee ID, we can easily fetch the project manager using the Vlookup. So just use the Vlookup, and our lookup value is employee ID, comma, and table array. Table array, we have the employee ID. We are lookup value is employee ID and fetching the project manager name. So select the project manager name on the fourth column index number. So we have given the fourth column index number and exact match is 0, and hit enter. You will get the name of this Akash. Just copy and paste in remaining cell, and you will get the project manager name in for the other cell. But if I'm talking to you, there's a one solution we can also do here, that like we just want the only the project manager name, not interested into the employee ID. So project manager we can easily find out. Like how can we just need to use the Vlookup. And what is our lookup value? So lookup value, we can be use the SUMIFs. The SUMIF is asking for the sum range, so we can pass the sum range, comma, and criteria. Criteria is on the basis is our first criteria is category, comma, and category criteria 1 is our category, and next we can give the second argument is subcategory, comma, and give the subcategory of the criteria 2. So we have created the lookup value, comma. Now it's table array. So come to the data and look the employee ID to fetch the project manager. So it is coming on the fourth column index number and exact match, and hit enter. You will get the name of the project manager name, and drag the formula for the remaining rows, and you will get the name of the project manager can easily. If you like this video, kindly hit and subscribe the button. Thank you.